it's the king here, and I decided to go ahead and keep these shoes. I gave a review expressing concern that I had ordered the burgundy and these lighter color shoes came in instead. But I like them. I decided I would go ahead and wear them. They were a good price. I think they were having a clearance or a closeout or something on these shoes. I don't see them on their website anymore. I don't know if they've discontinued them or what. But they're quite comfortable. They need to be shined. I've worn them maybe, I don't know, 3 or 4 times or so. But I will say that I wore them on one day from about 8 o'clock in the morning until 2 a.m. and didn't have any problems at all. And it was probably only the 3rd time that I wore these shoes. Again, they're made in Italy. Seem to be pretty high quality. They're made out of leather. I think calf leather or cowhide or something. They're not cordovan. But I'm going to go ahead and keep them. I had indicated that I wasn't going to, but I did, and I'm actually quite happy with them. I don't really have any recommendations for improvement on them. I was disappointed at the coloring, but I think it's a good shoe, and if I run into any issues with it, I'll let you all know, okay?